Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Okay, I'm at this vending machine which have the Corvette Stingray in blue, very nice. Surf Bus, Dodge Viper, Solero, Ford Lightning, Aston Martin, the helicopter, I have no idea what is this. Alfa Romeo GTV, McLaren. This is K-Swap. K-Swap is a minivan. Some fantasy casting, another Alfa Romeo, another McLaren. Koenigsegg, this old car, this Shelby, the Porsche, the Batmobile. At the back we have a Honda Civic, the Toyota trucks, Hot Wheels Race Day, Majorette, Volkswagen Premium. Then we have Fast and Furious Nano. Okay, and let's see what we have at the site. The Primera is what I want, but you have to buy this Nissan 390, which is not nice. We have Tomica, which is very nice. Okay, nothing to buy this round except if I want to buy this. 65 is okay for the price compared to 65 is the normal price. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.